Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into the account you want to clean. Make sure two-factor authentication is active so nothing locks you out mid-process. Once signed in, decide whether you will delete replies manually, use a reputable browser extension, or run a script. Each method trades time for control. Before removing anything, request or download your Twitter archive to preserve any data you might need later. Now that you have access, chosen a method, and backed up, move to executing the deletion steps. You should filter your timeline so only replies are visible. Use the search query from within Twitter like replies to, you or the extensions filter controls to isolate replies. Then configure the tool or script to target specific dates, keywords, or all replies. Choose small batches at first. Start the deletion run and monitor progress. If using a script, watch console messages for errors. Once a batch finishes, confirm replies are gone and pause briefly to respect rate limits before continuing with the next batch. When you near completion, refresh your profile and clear browser cache to verify replies are removed. If you hit temporary blocks or rate limit errors, stop, wait 24 to 48 hours, then resume with smaller batches. This prevents account suspension. If a tool fails, export its logs and try a different reputable extension or run the script with slower intervals. Finally, if you need any deleted content back, extract it from your downloaded archive. Otherwise, consider locking down privacy settings to prevent future unwanted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.